Hello, YouTube. I know you guys missed me already, and you all been waiting to this moment for today. Before we start with our video, I would like for you to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video to your friends so they can know how to do things just like you. I am happy that you are alive and you're breathing, and I thank God for you that you are having a very good moment. Hair done by V. Do you like my hair? And I'm hoping that you do like it. Today, I'm going to teach you what to eat within a week or what you eat during the day, and you can lose about 10 to 15 pounds a month. And which is, it's a easy. I'm going to teach you this particular type of breakfast, this lunch, and what you can eat for supper and snack in between. So, watch the video for more details. Recipe down below. Remember, subscribe, like, and share. I love you. Watch. Those are the ingredients that you need for your breakfast, your special breakfast. And now you're about to put everything together. 2 eggs and a pieces of bell pepper, a piece of onion, and 1/3 of a tomato. Now I'm dicing everything, cutting them into little dices. So, see the tomato, cut them, onions, and a tablespoon. You put a pinch of salt, a pinch of Mrs. Dash seasoning, and also a pinch of garlic or onion powder. So since you already have onion, you don't really have to be worried about the onion powder, but I put onion powder just for taste. But remember, pinches of everything, and you cut all of them together. You put them in a bowl, and then you're gonna stir it. You see, those are the thing. And also, I put a pinch of basil too, powdered basil. Yes, this is my little pan right there, my microwave pan. I'm gonna spray it with butter spray, and those are everything together. I'm about to stir it up. Yes, getting everything done, and some sorry for my camera the way it showed, because I didn't have anybody to videotape me. I had to do everything by myself. So we're getting done right now. It's getting done. And now we're gonna put everything inside of it and place it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Stir it. Come on. You stir it all up. Yes, give them a smile. While it's getting done, I'm gonna go ahead and go, get it done. Put it inside of the little pan. Put it inside of the microwave. And after that, when everything is done, I'll be right back with the voice. Et voilà, bon appétit. Bon appétit. Eggs, almonds, kiwi for breakfast. Thank you. It's about like 250 kilocalories. Thanks. Have a good day. Now it's lunchtime. What you're looking at, those are the ingredients. And my pan already, it's getting warm.
dog. Stay tuned. Now that you already know it's hot, you put your small pieces of onions. I like to cook like that. Even though I'm cooking Asian food, I still cook the same. I put a little bit of onions on my pan, so when you do that, it brings flavor. And onions. Now I'm browning my spinach in my pan right now. So this is the spinach plus the onions. Oh my god, flavor. So now I put my chicken down. My chicken was already seasoned. Don't think I did not do it. Don't think what you're thinking. So my chicken was already seasoned my way. So and now I place it down on my pan and I make sure that everything is getting done, and I put some lime juice on it because I love lime juice too. It still brings out very nice flavor. You keep turning it, browning your chicken the right way. Put a pinches of Mrs. Dash. Even though you see my hands going like that, it's pinches of Mrs. Dash. It's not even a teaspoon of Mrs. Dash. It's a pinches of Mrs. Dash. I think you do that about like 2 times so you can bring the flavor, so it can suck on the salt to give you the amount of taste that you need on your chicken. Yes, you make sure that that's for flavor to get inside of it, the salt, the seasoning to get inside of it so it can taste good. Keep on pinching it, baby. Yes, puncture it so it can get in there. You see what I mean? Get the pop. Yes, baby, come on. Okay, get your chicken going. Get your flavor inside of that chicken so you can be eating nice, good, and sweet. Yes. Okay, shake it, V, shake it. Yeah. Even though people said you don't even have anything to shake, but hey, who cares? Okay, you guys know I don't have a sense of humor. I like to talk. So, yeah, it's getting there, and pressing it down so it can give you the yes. Get it in there. Yes, keep on picturing it so it can soak on the seasoning. It can be cooked too. Not only for the seasoning, it will cooked right. Let me tell you, you see this right now? Soon as I have my air fryer again, I'm not gonna be able to do that. I don't need to do all of that. It's because I don't have my air fryer. If I had my air fryer, I would do the spinach and onions, and also I would just have to dump my chicken in there once it's done. But I didn't have to do all. I don't have to do all of that because I was gonna throw my chicken inside of my air fryer. It would give me this is brown rice. I'm just showing you guys for the brown rice, but I know it's coming next, but not now. Yes, now I'm getting the spinach and onions to get the flavor mixed together, and I keep pressing down on my chicken. But once you have an air fryer, you don't need to do all of that. You just put your chicken in your air fryer for about, like, I guess it's 10 to 15 minutes. It would be cooked. It would be cooked beyond your expectation. That's why if you need to go on this health journey, on this diet journey, whatever what it is, you're gonna need an air fryer, and this gonna help you. And also that little microwave pan you see that I used earlier for my egg. So you need one of these, because if you want to lose weight, you want to do it the right way, and you want to have the right tools to do it. Because if not, look how beautiful my eggs was. And this is exactly why I'm using, when I use my air fryer, my chicken come out as, as brown, as wonderful, as cooked as I need. And also, once you put it inside of your air fryer, it sucks all the grease, so you don't need all of that. I would just have to stir my spinach with a little bit of onions and also a little bit of butter. I didn't have to put, the tablespoon of. See, now my chicken is ready. I put my oven down, and now I, spread the spinach and onions on the top of it. Even though they were cooked together and all the steamage, the steam, the taste goes out of it. So now I'm getting ready to do my fried rice. Stay tuned. Now it's the fried rice part. It's still the same, 1 tablespoon. The amount I put, it's 1 tablespoon, and now you're getting it even on your oven. Yes, people, you can do it. We can lose weight the right way. If you're eating like that, there's no way for you not to lose weight, because eating like that, the body will, your system will respond to, what is she doing? Because this is not how she used to eat. This is not a McDonald's. This is not a burger. So now you grab all of your you grab the bell pepper, tomatoes, and also your mushrooms. You stirring it together. Did you see that? Once I put my oil, and now what I've done was I put my onions on my pan, because I like to fry the onions first when I'm cooking, because it brings flavor and it smells nice, smells good. Yeah, shake it, nice smell and good vibes to the food. Now I'm gonna get my shrimp. I would suggest that after you put your onions, you do your shrimp, so it can give you a nice fried look. But I didn't do that. It's the same thing to me. And now what I do, I put my brown rice, because all my veggies was already on my pan. Brown rice. And remember, for some reason I was cutting the video, and now I cut the part where I put my kale. You see how those little kales coming out of the rice? I fried some kale too. About 1 cup of kales, because this amount I'm making right now can last me for a week. You see, I have my veggie, I have my chicken ready. My veggies, I use broccoli and carrots, and there you have it. This is it right here. It looks so nice and good. Now, time for supper. What we having for supper is tuna wrap. Yes, 3 tablespoons of mayo on a medium container and 2 small containers of tuna, and half of an onion, and I dice everything. So now I'm gonna stir it all together, and a pinch of Mrs. Dash seasoning. Even though you don't see it, I sprinkle a little bit of Mrs. Dash seasoning on it. You have to follow the recipe when you're following this, so you can get it done just like me. And this is it. This is the Mrs. Dash right here. I'm gonna get everything together. Even though you don't see it, all I'm doing just stirring it together. This is it right here. Keep on doing it so you can get all the bulk out of it. You know what I mean? And also, when you're done, you can taste it to look at the amount of salt. It can be any type of mayo. In the meantime, I can tell you, yep, taste it, and there you have it. This is how it looks in a wrap. I'm using the cilantro chickpeas wrap from Walmart. It's a Walmart. I don't think it's a Walmart brand, but it's from Walmart. And also, I grab about like 8 leaves of spinach, and I put it on my wrap. And I put about 2 tablespoons of tuna, and also a little teaspoon, not even, a little bit of mustard. And that's how I have my wrap. And I like to dip it in Greek yogurt, which I'm gonna show you soon. In the meantime, you can think of the snacks you can eat in between. After you have your breakfast, you can have like 2 strawberries. And also during the midday, you can have about like half of a banana. And before you have your big lunch, and after your big lunch, before you have your supper, you can have a granola bar, and that to complete your day. And after that, you have your food before 8 o'clock or or 8 o'clock. You know, that's max. If you don't need any belly, you cannot be eating after 8 o'clock. This is Bolt House Greek cilantro. Tada, bye. Bye, you guys. Thanks for watching. This is how your supper look, and see you next time. Bye, Misery.